Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Famous Things and Tutorial, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a lot. I'm actually going to be talking about a lot in this video. Yet I don't actually have a topic I want to talk about, but I'm here talking to new YouTubers. Yes, because I've been opportunity to grow this channel over here to 14 point something subscribers. Yes, 14 point something subscribers, and I want you to also grow your own channel to that amount. Like, if you want to have more and more subscribers, this is an option for you. This is an opportunity for you. Found the right video. So let's dive in. So as a new YouTuber, you just started on the space, you don't know nothing, you didn't do any tutorial, you didn't go to any master class, but you want to just make it here on YouTube. You want to gain all the subscribers, because for you to reach monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yes, and this getting of this 1,000 subscribers is way easier for you to get. And this is a very short video though, so for you to get all these 1,000 subscribers, I would advise, like, you want to get the subscribers. Yes, because I'm not talking about views in this video, I'm talking about how to get subscribers. Yes, subscribers, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. So what you're going to pick a niche. Like, when you create your YouTube channel, you already have a niche, you already have something you want to be talking about. If you're talking about gaming, if you're talking about marriage, if you're talking about makeup, how to make money kind of videos, any niche that you found yourself, you're going to pick out videos from that niche and you start posting on your shorts. Yes, when you go back to your YouTube, when you want to put, they're going to show you the option of video, shorts, live, and create posts. So you're going to tap on the option of shorts, and then you're going to post short videos. You're going to be posting short videos 2 a day. Yes, you can post in the morning and you can post in the evening. In the evening, that's the peak hours from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Then in the morning, you can post from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. that are when people are online. That's when people watch your video. So you're going to be posting videos according to your niche. So when you post those videos, you're just going to give it time, the algorithm is going to find it, and you're going to push up your videos. And when people watch your short, because a lot of people have patience watching your short, so you're going to get more views on your short, because a lot of persons come across short and it's so easy to watch, because it's very simple to watch. You don't have to struggle, like you don't have to, like when you're watching a long form videos, you have to sit for like 10 minutes. Some videos you have to sit like 30 minutes to watch that video, but shorts, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 50 seconds, at most 1 minute, you're done. So that gets you a lot of subscribers. When someone come across that video and they feel that they like what you're doing, you're going to click on the like button, you're going to click on the subscribe button, and you'll gain that subscriber. Yes, though it has disadvantage, that disadvantage, but in this video we're talking about the disadvantage, we're talking about the advantage. Yes, the advantage of posting short. For short will help you to grow your channel faster, and it's going to help you to gain all the subscribers that you want. If you're looking for 100,000 subscribers, you're looking for 200,000 subscribers, these are the tips for you to get up to 100,000 subscribers. Post shorts morning and evening every day for 3 days, or just do it for a week. You'll be surprised, you're going to gain over 10,000 subscribers. I did it on this channel, like I said earlier, and I got over 14,000 subscribers, and that channel is monetized. So this is a new channel, because I came over to this channel because I want to share tips. When I started my YouTube channel, I didn't have anybody to guide me through. So all these things I'm telling you, these are part of experience, and this is how it works here on YouTube. So kindly follow this channel for more tutorials, and please subscribe. In this video, in this channel, I do not want to post short, because like I said, short has a disadvantage, it has disadvantage. So the disadvantage is the reason why I do not want to post short on this channel, so that I'm growing my channel. I want my subscribers to come from my long form content, because I'm more of long form content in this channel. So guys, thank you for understanding, thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, share this video. I'll see you on another one. Bye.